Did you know the world's oldest living tree is called Methuselah? Hidden deep in California's White Mountains, this bristlecone pine is over 4,800 years old, making it older than the pyramids of Egypt. Methuselah has silently witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, surviving harsh climates and changing landscapes. Its exact location is kept secret to protect it from damage. This ancient tree stands as a living monument to resilience and the mysteries of time. If you enjoyed learning about this natural marvel, subscribe for more fascinating facts and like this video.